So good day everyone. My name is Janice Alves from this IT1D. So in this video, we're going to create a program that continuously asks the user to enter their age or a valid positive number. So in this program, we'll identify if the age is greater than 18. It will print you are eligible to vote. However, if your age is less than 18, it will print you're not eligible to vote. In this video, if the user will input the age, it will also classify the user's age group, whether you belong to child, teenager, adult, or a senior citizen. So first things first, we will import a scanner, which is the import java.util.scanner. And then create a class name, which is public class. This is the main method. This is a class, a public class. Public class named age checker. Then after that, gonna declare a main method, which is the public static void main string. No. So this is important in order to execute the program in the main method. Then after that, since we are declaring a scanner class, so we're going to create a scanners object. Yes, scanner. System.in. This is important so that for us to input, or this will read the user's input from the keyboard. Then after this, we're gonna declare a Boolean variable named running, and also set it to true so that the execution will continue. Like, hindi siya mag-stop. And, mag-execute itong program. If ever mag-false ni, di din mag-execute itong program. So, since we're going to start in while loop. While loop So this will continue running as long as the value of running will stay true, right? The value of this then it will also continue to ask for the user to input. So after this, mag-ask ang kaning program sa user to input. So that's why we're going to declare a statement. System.out.print So during a part, start, ask ang console, which is mag-enter sa age or any positive number. Then, however, if you're going to exit, you're going to type a -5 to exit. After that, since we are going to this program will identify if you're going to exit or to input a -5. So we're going to declare a if statement. If your age is equal to -5, then it will print Q for kissing. That's right. Then humanataan eh. Okay. Naman. Yes. Since na-double na siya. So after that, we're going to declare it. Since mag-read naman siya of age, para ma-capture, this captures the user's input. So if, and store it as a age variable. So for example, mag-type ko og 18. So ang akong 18 is ma-store siya diri as age. Next int. Then next is, since check kung unsa ta mag-exit, during a time na ang running mag-false na siya. Okay, nag-exit naman ta. And then, mag-continue ta. Para if mag-false na siya, continue siya sa next condition, which is ang wait na po ta diri og another statement. This time, since na ang instruct is to ask us to classify the age, whether you are greater than more than 18 or in a legal age, you are eligible to vote. However, if you're not your age is less than 18, you're not eligible to vote. So this time we're going to add a if statement. So if your age is greater than or equal to 18, system.out.print mag-print siya og You are eligible to vote. Else, if delete, else system without system without the print lane. You are not eligible to vote. After that, since the instruction is asking us to clarify or to classify the age group, whether you are belong to child, you are a child, a teenager, or an adult, or a senior citizen. So I said we're going to add another if statement. So if your age is less than or equal to 12, system without the print, then you are a child, then else if your age is less than or equal to 17, print you are a teenager, else if your age is less than 59 or equal rather equal 59 system that outlet claim you are an adult else system that outlet claim you are a senior citizen. Then after that, you have to close uh, the method to close the field or input. So after this is the whole coding. Finish now. Then let's try this. So this is the output. Please enter your age. So I am 18 years old. You are eligible to vote. You are an adult. You're an adult. So enter your age, for example, 17. You are not eligible to vote. You are a teenager. Enter your age. So if I'm going to enter the greater than 59, so for example 60, you are eligible to vote. You are a senior citizen. However, I'm going to type a -5. So the code will exit and it will just answer thank you for using. Bye. So this is the end of my code. That's